We've had one. We've had two. This is the third and final, at the moment, Combat Patrol challenge. Are you ready?
At the moment.
Currently.
I'm not ready.
Not ready.
Not ready.
It's been 2 for 2. By now you would have seen us paint Tyranids, you would have seen us paint Gene Silicotes, you would have seen us paint Orks, and you would have seen us paint Custodes. Let's go round 3.
It's the Wheel of Misfortune.
Fortune.
It really is misfortune now.
It really is. So we've drawn 4 teams. We've had 2 challenges already. You would have seen us. Yeah. We are way, way in the future now. Hello, future me. I hope you're well. I hope you're doing good. We've painted 2 different armies that we've never painted before. Oh, you definitely painted the first one.
I've definitely painted Tyranids before.
Definitely painted Tyranids before. But yeah, no, so as we mentioned in our last preview video for the 2nd edition of Combat Patrol, this is now Chapter 3. Chapter 3. Or 3 if you're Jeff Goldblum.
Is this the end? Or is this going to be like Star Wars?
Oh yeah, Episode 9. I am Rey Skywalker.
Ugh, bore off.
Yeah, hate Rey. So yeah,
third and
potential final. This is it.
I tell you what, if I draw another rubbish one, there will be a 4th episode, and I'm gonna pick one. I will pick one to paint. I'm not doing 3 back to back of pure unadulterated nonsense.
So just to clarify, for the 3rd and final one, we've got Death Guard. Views. Death Guard, Chaos Space Marines, Demons, Votan, Imperial Guard, Admech, Sisters of Battle, Eldar, Grey Knights, Thousand Suns, World Eaters. We've spent both of our CP rerolls in the first months ago, way back. And here we are with the 3rd.
What are you hoping for? What do you want off what's left there?
I don't know. I'll be honest. The first 2 have stumped me a bit. I didn't think I'd get them, and I have. So. Honestly,
to be fair, we all knew I was going to get Orks. Yeah,
it was either going to be Orks if you draw. No, we took Tau off because I'm doing Tau for my 10th edition army. But if you did Orks and Tau, or even if you do Tyranids, Orks, and Imperial Guard, or Votan, Votan would be bad too.
I've already done. I still think we should have taken Votan off months ago because I've already got Votan army.
Do you want to take it off now? It's the last one.
Last one, take it off.
Last one, take it off.
Oh, but that means all the others are more likely.
It does make it more likely. And
we're binning Votan.
It means I spent my CP reroll for nothing.
We can have another CP back then.
Nah. Not about that life. Don't like freebies.
I'll ask you about that again in 30 seconds.
I don't like freebies. I'll play the game.
Can I retrospectively go back in time and get rid of Tyranids?
No.
Because I've already painted them by now.
Yeah, they'd already be done.
Get back in my TARDIS.
We would have had a challenge, a game with them. Yeah. You would have actually had fun with them.
No, I won't.
At least I think so. Being hypothetical about the future when it's now the future that you're watching in the time that you're watching. It's very weird. Yeah. Hello.
Just spin the wheel.
Hello, future me. Would you like to go first, or would you like me to go first?
No, because last time I drew Orks, there's tomfoolery with the fingers.
Tomfoolery with fingers. Okay, so round 3. CP reroll is gone.
I want you to draw Death Guard.
Let's spin the wheel. I don't want to paint 30 Poxwalkers. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, again, I won't look. I will look away.
It's the clicking.
It's the clicking
Months
is back.
later, it's still the clicking.
It's still the clicking. Well, I mean, we're doing it all on the same night, but it's still the clicking.
Ta-da!
That noise has sealed my fate.
Oh.
Oh, no. No. Oh, God. Right, okay. So,
This isn't rigged at all.
Death Guard players. I don't hate Death Guard.
It's the Combat Patrol, I think, that's the worst. It's the Poxwalker.
That is.
I see that, and I raise you Tyranids and Orks.
Outrageous. Outrageous. That is 30 Poxwalkers, 7 Death Guard or Plague Marines, Typhus, and a Putrefier, I think it's called.
Tell you what, though, I'm really excited for us to have a Death Guard army. So I've wanted one. I'd love to paint Mortarion.
I've painted him before. He's a great mini to paint. Yeah. Great mini to paint. I don't think I want to go the green, you know.
That's left field.
I want to go with a different colour scheme. That'd be cool.
Well, we've got months to decide.
Yeah, months and months and months. This is way, as we said before, way down the line. As you would have said, hopefully we look a bit different. I imagine you'd look the same. Don't know why. I imagine you look the same.
Not going to try and unpack that. What are you trying to say about me? I'm a hermit? Yes.
Yeah, I don't think you look the same. I think you've established your look now in your later years.
In life.
I keep changing mine at this point in time. Which
You might
is
look
months.
You might look like me and I look like you.
Yeah, well, I've just got this mullet thing, which I've never done before.
Oh yeah, because you might not have that.
I might not.
Might have a full mullet.
Might have another terrible haircut. Who knows? But yeah, Death Guard. Death Guard. Okay. Yeah.
That wheel is looking really thin, and there's not a lot of good left on it.
Yeah, no, there isn't. So now for your last one, it's Chaos Space Marines, Demons, Imperial Guard, Admech, Sisters of Battle, Eldar, Grey Knights, Thousand Suns, World Eaters. You could end up painting Chaos Space Marines.
I don't want to.
No,
Well, I do. I'd take World Eaters.
There's a lot on here that you wouldn't. Would you like to spin the wheel?
Yes, there is only. There's only two that I would like to paint on here.
Which are?
Grey Knights and World Eaters.
To be fair,
Grey Knights definitely is is what I would like to paint.
To be fair, both of those would be a nice little win at the very end of your months and months of slogging.
That's not going to happen though. You're not going to draw Imperial Guard.
Here we go. The third
Is that
and
shot?
final. Yeah. The third and final challenge for you. Godspeed. Your fate is sealed. Okay. Draw.
I know what it is.
Go on.
Do you know what?
Mate.
I saw the colour.
Oh no. Wow.
Give up.
That's strong. That's strong. Okay, so the Imperial Guard Combat Patrol is looking a little bit like this.
Ugh.
That is 20 Cadians, a Cadian command squad, a commissar as well, or is it just a command squad? I think it's just a command squad. 2 heavy weapon things and an armoured sentinel. That's your future.
Future is bleak.
That's 2 horde armies you painted.
No, 3.
Oh yes, 3 for 3!
I got all of the worst ones. Literally got all of the worst. I didn't even get a fun one.
Yeah, I've painted 2 horde armies. 2. How were you feeling mentally? I have to check in.
So
just being a
we've
friend.
done this all on one night. So in one night, I've been crushed repeatedly 3 times.
Yeah.
So 10 minutes ago, but probably more like months for you people.
Yeah.
I drew the re-energizing of the Tyranids.
The re-up. Yeah.
It's not going to be energized.
Nope. Well, you would have seen them by now, but
then
yeah.
5 minutes ago, I drew Orks.
Which I hope was a great time, because I'm excited for now past you to paint
It's
Orks.
confusing.
Yeah, it is confusing. It's very exciting.
And then just drew the other worst one. I didn't even get. You got a fun one. You got, yours was in the middle. So you started off with a not fun one. Then you go, oh, we've got Custodes. This is going to be fun. Now finish off with the bad one.
At time of recording, I'm really worried about Custodes. I hope I nailed it, because at the moment I'm really worried. Even
The only downside is that I was hoping we're going to end up with 6 new armies for the channel, but we've already got one of them.
Well, we've ended up with 5 new armies, which I don't think is that bad, to be fair. I think it's quite cool.
Remind you that on your wallet.
Hmm?
Remind your wallet of that.
Yeah, that's true.
Although we're not getting it for an amount of time.
No, it'll be a while off yet at time of recording. Now, obviously, you'll see it. Yeah, it's very
weird.
confusing. We should stop talking about time. More importantly, I should stop talking about time. But yeah, super exciting. Very exciting.
Are we going 4 up?
Let's save it.
I need it. Got 3. They got.
Let's save it, because I think after
What's left? Read out everything that's left.
Okay, so
All the
everything
good ones.
Everything that's left. Admech, Sisters of Battle, Eldar, Grey Knights, Thousand Suns, World Eaters, Chaos Space Marines, Demons.
We'd have been semi-happy with Eldar, to be honest.
Semi-happy isn't happy though, is it?
It's better than Tyranids, Orks, and...
Imperial Guard.
Can't even say it. I'm going Krieg.
Cadia stands.
Call it that now. Going Krieg. Probably won't because it'll be more expensive.
I suppose the way you could do it, you could buy
all the helmets.
So I already checked. You can't. If you bought 2 Krieg boxes, sold the Cadia units separately, it'd be a bit more expensive, sure.
But then how do I make the heavy gunners Kriegs?
Oh, and the command squad.
We won't go Krieg. I feel going Krieg is disingenuous. I think I have to go full horridness. But you'll find out in a couple of days when the video comes.
Find out in a couple of days. But yeah, this has been the third and potential final for the last time.
Wild ride.
It's been crazy evening. Crazy. But yeah, I guess you'll see us in a few days for the final Combat Patrol Challenge. Maybe final. Last time I'll say that.
It's not final. I need another one. Calling it now.
I think for our 4th, you're right. I think we'll pick the last 4.
You can't pick because you got a fun one.
Oh, that's rude. But fine.
It's been skewed this way. It's been just
skewed as the other way. But obviously you're gassed that I got Custodes. I'm not.
I wouldn't mind.
At first I was like, yeah. Now I'm like,
it's the detail. Well, you'd have already painted it.
Yeah, I've already done it by now. Oh well, don't matter.
Join us in a couple of days for 12 hours of Imperial Guard and Death Guard.
12 hours of pain, because it will be. Death Guard and Imperial Guard.
Let's
go. See you, I guess.
Bye.